Hello everyone. There is an urgent need to bring more diversity in clinical trials in order to better serve patients and their communities, thereby helping to address health inequities. Only by improving diversity in clinical trials, we will be able to deepen our understanding of the safety and efficacy of medicines for all populations. Health inequities are reflected in particular by differences in disease prevalence, access to care and treatment, quality of life, and ultimately, life expectancy. As an industry, we are committed to work with other key stakeholders to develop community-oriented investigators of diverse backgrounds and reach underserved communities to increase diversity in clinical trials. The objective of the MBA business plan case competition is to identify innovative approaches and successful models that can be used nationally to strengthen diversity in clinical trials and expand health equity. Participating teams will help us advance our ambition to have no patient left behind. I look forward to a great competition.
Lack of representation in clinical trials is a challenge that warrants innovative solutions. The biopharmaceutical industry has a moral imperative to take new, more thoughtful approaches to building trust and engaging populations that have been historically and systematically underengaged. The BioNJ MBA business plan competition allows for out-of-the-box thinking by diverse, cross-functional teams to develop solutions and technologies that bring clinical trials to varied populations while improving patient engagement and retention. By developing new approaches and new business models that harness new technologies and even develop new business standards to make trials more accessible for all communities, we can work together to create a more agile, efficient, and patient-centered medical research ecosystem. This competition is a chance for MBA students and your peers in other graduate programs to apply your strategic and creative thinking to help solve an important challenge. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
By definition, health equity is achieved only when all people have the opportunity to attain their full health potential, and when no one is disadvantaged from achieving this potential because of their race and ethnicity, age, sexual gender and orientation, religion, or social position. The life sciences sector plays a major role in addressing equity of care and in clinical trials. We at Sanofi have partnered with BioNJ and are excited about leveraging our diverse experience and thoughts to create contemporary business solutions that will address this critical need. Health inequities are reflected in differences in length of life, quality of life, rates of disease, and access to treatment. On behalf of Sanofi, I hope you and your team will join BioNJ in its commitment and efforts to achieve health equity for all. Health equity in clinical trials is the precursor to ensuring that all patients have access to therapies and cures that will work for them.
Across the clinical trial community, most all of us are working on ways to try to make clinical trial participation more inclusive and more accessible. Some pursuing strategies that are high touch in communities. Some are pursuing strategies that are high tech, leveraging some of the latest in mobile or health information technology. But across all of these areas, as we're trying to engage in more meaningful ways inside of diverse communities to better support those that may be struggling for access and inclusion, we're looking for innovative ideas, innovative partners, innovative strategies to help us move beyond our traditional ways for patients to have to travel to academic medical centers just to be able to participate in research programs. Participating teams in BioNJ's MBA business plan case competition can make a meaningful difference, helping to deepen our understanding of health outcomes by helping to make sure that our studies, our research programs that are developing new medicines include everyone affected by the condition, so that our learnings can be truly representative of the people that we're trying to help.
BioNJ's MBA case competition is a career-changing opportunity for MBA and other graduate students. Not only does the competition provide networking opportunities with leaders from across the biopharmaceutical industry, participating teams have the opportunity to compete for over $20,000 in prize money, increase their understanding of biopharma and health equity, and gain recognition by being featured in a widely circulated white paper following the competition. Key dates to remember include a boot camp for competing teams on October 29th that will provide a crash course on drug development and clinical trials, and the competition pitch event on December 3rd. Learn how you and your team can get involved by visiting the website on the screen.